Income tax season is stressful for many people. In an effort to help you better understand some of the ways that your local financial institution can help you prepare for the income tax season, we're here today with Andriy Tryshak, Compliance Officer from BCU Financial Group. Today we would like to specifically focus on RRSPs and how your financial institution can help you through the process. So Andriy, let's start with the basics. What are RRSPs?
A Registered Retirement Savings Plan, or RRSP, is one of the most popular retirement savings mechanisms in Canada. It is a retirement savings plan that is registered with the Government of Canada, which allows you to save for retirement on a tax-sheltered basis. What makes RRSP special is that your contributions to it are tax-deductible and your portfolio grows tax-sheltered. We encourage our customers to take advantage of RRSPs every year, not just because it is important to start saving for the future, but because the many benefits throughout your lifetime. At BCU, for example, we offer extremely competitive and attractive rates, which will allow you investments to grow at a much faster rate. Many of our customers also benefit by contributing to their maximum allowance in order to have greater tax deductions when filing for their tax returns.
How does one set up an RRSP?
An RRSP can be set up at your local financial institution. Your financial service officer will advise you about various types of RRSP and what option will work the best for you.
How many different options are available when looking to invest into an RRSP?
An RRSP can be invested in many different options, including an RRSP savings account, JSC investment or guaranteed investment certificate, mutual fund, bond, or even equities.
You mentioned earlier that when it comes to income tax season, that contributing your maximum allowable limit is of great benefit. Why is that?
Every Canadian who earns an income can receive tax deduction when filing their income taxes based on their annual RRSP contribution. The total amount of your annual contribution can be deducted from your gross income at a tax time, reducing the amount you pay in income tax that year. Generally speaking, the more you contribute, the higher your tax deduction.
Does that mean it's not worth contributing less than the limit?
No, that is not the case. Investing in your retirement in any way that you can afford will be a great benefit. No matter how much you can contribute in any given year, the contributor will still receive a tax deduction and will be on their way to saving for their future.
How does one determine how much they can contribute?
The CRA has guidelines which indicate how much a person can contribute on a yearly basis. That information can be found on your Notice of Assessment. However, it is important to consult with CRA to ensure that you understand all the rules and regulations.
You mentioned that the growth in an RRSP investment is tax-sheltered while it is invested. So how does this change when someone retires and draws on the funds they have contributed?
The income earned in your RRSP is not taxed until it is withdrawn. While your investment sits in an RRSP, the growth is tax-sheltered. This allows the investment to grow at a much quicker rate. By the time you retire and start withdrawing the funds, you will most likely be in a lower tax bracket compared to when you were working and earning an income. The lower tax bracket will allow you to benefit from a lower tax rate upon withdrawal.
So what is the deadline for contributing to your RRSPs for the previous tax year?
To be eligible for an RRSP tax deduction in a specific tax year, you can make contribution anytime during the year or up to 60 days into the following year. That means that if you'd still like to contribute to your RRSP for the 2016 tax year, you can still make a contribution until March 1st, 2017. Generally speaking, we anticipate a large influx of members in February who come in to invest for their retirement savings in order to qualify for tax deductions for the previous year. This is why at BCU we also offer extremely competitive and attractive rates and products for the RRSP investments at that time. Our financial service officers are here to answer any questions and help you every step of the way.
Andriy, thank you so much for helping our viewers understand more about their retirement savings options and for providing this valuable information as we approach income tax season.
My pleasure. We're always here for your financial needs.